need to transform raw numbers into actionable insights without writing complex analysis logic. You'll see how to create a reusable prompt template in fastmcp that formats numerical data into natural language requests, ready for AI analysis. The pattern uses a simple decorator to convert a list of floats into a structured prompt, making it effortless to integrate with any LLM.
At MCP, prompt, def analyze data points, list float, SDR. Creates a prompt asking for analysis of numerical data. Formatted data equals, join SDR point for point and data points. Return F, please analyze these data points. Formatted data.
This demonstrates the prompt template pattern for AI-assisted data processing. The @MCP prompt decorator transforms a Python function into a reusable message template that structures raw data for AI analysis. Unlike traditional string formatting, this approach maintains a clean separation between data preparation and prompt generation, making it composable and maintainable. The pattern works by treating prompts as first-class components in your application architecture. Your function handles data transformation, like converting numeric lists to strings, while the decorator manages prompt registration and delivery. This declarative style lets you version prompts independently, apply tag-based filtering, and reuse them across different workflows without duplicating logic. This approach solves the problem of prompt fragmentation in AI applications. Instead of scattering prompt strings across your codebase or hard-coding them in tools, you centralize them as testable, typed components. It's particularly valuable when building analysis pipelines where data formatting requirements may evolve, or when you need to expose the same prompt through multiple interfaces, CLI, HTTP, etc. The trade-off is minimal overhead for simple cases, but the consistency gains outweigh this for any non-trivial application. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP, prompt, def analyze data points, list float, SDR. Creates a prompt asking for analysis of numerical data.
The @MCP prompt decorator marks this function as an AI callable prompt generator. It transforms the function's output into a structured prompt for analysis tasks, while the type hints and docstring define the expected input schema. This is the prompt pattern for creating reusable, type-safe AI interactions, ensuring consistent input handling and clear documentation for both developers and models.
Formatted data equals, join SDR point for point and data points.
This transforms the list of floats into a comma-separated string, converting each number to text first. Critical for the prompt template, raw numbers would break the string formatting and confuse the AI model. The generator expression inside join handles the conversion efficiently without intermediate lists.
Return F, please analyze these data points. Formatted data.
This constructs the final prompt string by embedding the formatted data points. The F string combines static text with dynamic content, creating a natural language instruction that AI models can process directly. This pattern ensures the data is presented in a structured, human-readable format while maintaining machine compatibility. Prompt engineering pattern, the @MCP prompt decorator transforms Python functions into structured AI prompts, automatically generating schemas while preserving Python's native type hints and docstrings. Type annotations become both documentation and validation rules, with fastmcp handling all Pydantic-compatible types, including complex nested structures. The prompt's return type determines whether it generates a simple string or a structured prompt result with multiple messages and roles.
The prompt that speaks in types is understood by machines before it's written by humans.